Unlock the ancient power of black seed oil. Did you know there's a tiny seed packed with incredible health benefits? Let's dive into the world of black seed oil and discover its amazing potential. Black seed oil, derived from the Nigella sativa plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It's rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds, making it a potent natural remedy. This oil contains thymoquinone, a powerful compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties contribute to its wide range of health benefits. Black seed oil can support a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off infections. Regular use may reduce the frequency and severity of common illnesses. It's also known for promoting healthy skin and hair. Applying it topically can help with conditions like eczema and acne, while also adding shine to your hair. You can take black seed oil orally, typically 1 to 2 teaspoons daily. It has a slightly bitter taste, so you can mix it with honey or juice. For skin and hair benefits, apply a small amount directly to the affected area. Always do a patch test first to check for any allergic reactions. Ready to experience the benefits of black seed oil? Like this video, subscribe for more health tips, and share your experiences with black seed oil in the comments below.